There is probably a simple solution to getting your Frigidaire top-load washer water running. If your unit was just installed, here are a few things to note. High-efficiency washers are designed to use less water and energy. It is perfectly normal for the water level to appear lower than what you may have experienced with an older washer. Most Frigidaire top-load washers rely on sensory technology and will determine the proper water level for each load. Water will enter the tub once the sensory cycle is complete. This may take a few minutes. If water is flowing to your washer slowly or isn't flowing in at all, check the following. Make sure hot and cold faucets are fully open. Check to see if your water hoses are kinked. If so, simply straighten the hoses. Make sure the lid is completely closed. Your washer will not operate with the lid open. Here are some additional tips. Check to see if water is being used elsewhere in your home, such as a shower, bath, or dishwasher. The filter screens on your water valve may be clogged. Check the drain hose standpipe. It must be a minimum of 33 inches high, but also no more than 6 inches into the standpipe. For laundry loads needing extra water, some Frigidaire top-load washers have the Max Fill feature. Pressing the Max Fill button adds the maximum amount of water possible and will increase the duration of the cycle time. The Max Fill feature is not recommended for regular day-to-day use, but more on an as-needed basis. We're here to help. Check out your use and care guide for more information. Visit www.frigidaire.com or call us at 800-374-4432. That should do it. You've got this.